Prakash, stay with us. We're also getting some more breaking news. Remember, Riya and family continue to be under investigation by both the Enforcement Directorate and even the CBI as it stands. Now, sources are telling Republic TV that Riya's foreign trip is now under the lens of the Enforcement Directorate. This is a long 25-day Europe trip that she made with Sushant between October 3 and 28. I believe this was last year. This was in Switzerland, Australia and Italy. Now, what the agencies are going to be looking into is whether certain investments were done by Riya while she was on this trip with Sushant Singh Rajput. Prakash, this is the big update that we're also tracking right now. Apart from the other financial and electronic investigation that the ED and CBI are doing, they're going to be looking into this foreign trip as well.
Well, yes, the ED recorded the statement of Father Mr. K.K. Singh yesterday for around 5 hours after the CBI recorded the statement initially last week. And Father Mr. K.K. Singh recorded the statement saying that there was financial fraud done at the behest of Riya Chakravarti, and the expenses of Riya and the family members were met from Sushant's account. Second, Riya traveled abroad at Sushant's expense. She had a very lavish lifestyle, and she duped and siphoned off money of Sushant Singh Rajput. That is one angle from the ED point of view as far as the embezzlement of funds and finances from 4 accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput is concerned, and diverting it to some other accounts, which is also being investigated by the ED as well as the disproportionate asset case. But as a matter of fact, the CBI is also investigating from the point of view of murder, not from the point of view of abetment of suicide. They are taking cognizance of the murder angle also. Remember, the abetment of suicide case was lodged in Patna police. So CBI is investigating it from the point of view of murder as well. And the moment the Supreme Court gives the directive, CBI will step up its investigation and maybe judicial custody of the people who are in, who were in the flats may be taken by the CBI and thorough interrogation.
Prakash, I request you to hold on. Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, is also joining us specifically on the angle of that ED is going to investigate whether Riya made any investments during the Europe trip. Aishwarya, what more are you learning?
At this point of time, Shivani, we are being told that she had spent around 25 specific days from 3rd of October till the 28th of October. She was not alone. There were also certain family members which were accompanying her and Sushant Singh Rajput for this 25-day visit. But what has come out startling is that she was all set to do. She was all set to do a multi-star movie, and rather that is what has come after the very investigation, Shivani, that she chose this trip over a movie. So she decided to stay back in these countries, and there are also indications that have come in that she has met certain very specific European business investors in this regard. So that is what we are being told very, very initially through our sources. Hence, everyday routine, all of those individuals whom she has met during this 25-day trip are going to be questioned, and then the whole drada, because there are certain individuals of the film fraternity as well who were present in Europe at that point of time. Also, there are certain family members of Riya Chakravarti who have accompanied both of them. So yes, this angle now is being looked into, because for an actor to choose a leisure trip over a movie, and that to an actor which is not getting those very high-profile movies, is something which is very, very startling for the agencies, and also simultaneously that her contact with certain business investors in Europe during these 25 days is something which has really put the whole alert system on of the agencies, and now they're looking into this angle, very specific angle as well. Shivani.
Right. All right, Aishwarya, appreciate you joining us. Also, Prakash, thanks a lot for joining us. We'll continue to come back to both of you and all our other correspondents, tracking several angles of this story very closely.